Caravan Salon 2018. I'm at the Dreamer stand. Dreamer is part of Rapido. This, as you can see, is a compact van. It's 497 centimeters in length, so effectively it is a car. It's built on the Ford Transit base. I'll give you some details of it, such as the price. It starts with over 56,000 euros in this condition. Kick-off price 45,400, so it's got a few extras. This is 497 centimeters long, 199 wide, height 201, 3-ton basis, and I don't know how much empty weight is, but I'm sure that you've got plenty of payload in there. So what this is, there's a number of companies making these type of things. I mean, Mercedes do it, and okay, others do it. Mercedes don't do it at that price though. You've got up there your camping stuff. So let's come in and have a look at it. You've got your burners and your sink there. You've got your fridge. I hope this is coming out all right. I haven't got all the lights on. You've got a bit of storage under this. You've got these things here, so you can bring the chairs. You can change the position of the chairs, and the chairs will fold down to make a bed with. So you've got that. You've got your bed in the back. You've got this thing here, storage, which will come out. You can see it's been blocked at the moment by the use of this, but take that out and then you can slide that out and keep some stuff in there. Right, this is the gas, isn't it? There you go. And there's a 12-volt plug. Right, well, okay, I mean, obviously it's horses for courses. Depends what you've got and how much space you've got to put it in and all the rest of it, but this Cap Coast costs almost the same as this one over here, which is called Capland, or Capland, I don't know. And that one, you can see that in another film, that's got far more to offer at roughly the same price, although it is 37 centimeters longer. So if you don't have the length, then you're stuck with something like this. I believe in giving people the facilities of certainly the toilet. I mean, you can wash at a sink, of course. So I do appreciate that, but I think the toilet is largely essential in a van. I had a van with a makeshift toilet, and quite honest, now I want a bit of luxury. So it's a quick overview of this van, Cap Coast Select. Personally, I don't rate it, but hey, you might think it's great.